Friends, good morning to all. My name is Hassan Amrut. Today I am doing a wonderful science experiment. The experiment name is electrostatic force. For this experiment, we require straws and tissue papers. First, take a straw and place it on any object. Now check whether it is repulsioning or not. This is not repulsioning because these two are uncharged objects. For applying charge, we have to rub it with the tissue paper for charge. While rubbing, the charge will set up. We have to rub more time because we want more charge. Now take this charged object to uncharged object. It will repulsion. When one charged object and another charged object meet together, the repulsion will take place. In this experiment, we learned how electrostatic force take place and form between two uncharged objects. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Pushkar. I am studying this class. Present, I am learning English in GLR SpokenEnglish. Today I do a beautiful experiment is rainbow. First you have to take one white plate and gems and water. You have to take gems and put it around. Put around the gems and you pour some water. Wait for some time. Look how the colors are coming first like this. So that's my experiment. Thank you so much.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Lavish. I have to talk about a beautiful science experiment that is air pressure. First, take a balloon and blow. And twist the balloon. And due to the air pressure, the water comes up. Here have low pressure and water have high pressure. Due to the pressure differences, the water comes out. This used in daily life like vacuum cleaner, digging borewell machines. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Good morning to all. Today I am going to do a wonderful experiment. Experiment name is color change. First we have to take a water in a bowl. Then pour some much of turmeric powder. After that pour some detergent powder. See, because the turmeric powder is a acidic, so that why it come into yellow in color. Detergent powder is a basic, so that why it come into, we mix those so that way it come into red color. Then we have to do this water into acidic water. So we have to take lemon. Lemon is a acidic acid, so that way we have to squeeze into water. See, the water came into yellow color because lemon is a base. See, lemon is acid. This water is now acid. This is we call nitralization reason, means NOHO3 reason. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am studying fourth. My name is Aradhya Amrut. I am studying fourth class. Now I am doing a wonderful science experiment, that is the fire off through the carbon dioxide. First of all, take a glass and put the candle in it. After pour vinegar. Pour vinegar and light the candle. Add some eno powder. And water and eno change into carbon dioxide and that stop the fire. Hence we understand here carbon dioxide stop the fire. Thank you.